This is what pure turmeric looks like before you powder it. Let's see how I grow. I have these turmeric roots that I'm going to sow in soil. The soil here is not so great, but it works well for turmeric. The better the soil, the better the growth, just like any other plant. If it is sprouting, then let the sprouts be a bit visible. Cover them and just let them grow. All they need is water and nothing else. No maintenance at all. They have started to sprout. These are small leaves. You have to let them grow really big. They are going to be really tall soon. These are the leaves now growing taller and bigger. They are growing healthy. They have a good color and more are sprouting. Some of them are also sprouting from the previous batch. You can grow once and it is going to come up every year on its own from the broken pieces that are left over in soil when you harvest. After the leaves are done, they are brown, they topple over. That is when these are ready to harvest. I'm having a bit of a trouble pulling out full pieces because of the soil, but you can use better well-draining soil. The pieces that are left over are going to sprout again, and this is a cycle. You don't need to buy again and again. Trying to get the maximum out of it. It doesn't matter if the pieces are breaking, it is still good enough. And there we have everything collected in a pile. More treasure hunt happening. Taking out as much as possible because even the smaller bits and pieces left behind are enough for a new batch. The more you dig, the better it is getting. Now I have boiled it, or rather blanched it in hot water. You can skip this step and dry directly, but boiling activates the compounds better. It is considered healthier. These are going to be sliced and dried in the sun till they are crisp like potato chips, and that is when you powder them. I have done it both ways and you can clearly see the color difference in the powder. Now this is my fresh homemade batch of haldi. By the time I finish this, I'll have another one.